Hello and welcome back. I'm Adria and today we will work on our nasolabial folds. Most of us face during our 20s and 30s. Start with clean hands and face. Apply some facial oil or moisturizer of your choice. Make sure it is non-comedogenic. Today's set of yoga can lighten the folds, also firming and lifting your face. It improves the sagging face and helps in slimming the fat face. So follow along and stay till the end. To start with our first yoga, open your mouth and press your fingers on the upper side of the nasolabial fold. Not on the top of the nasolabial folds but on the upper side of it. Now close your mouth inward. In this video, I will share some face yoga techniques and tips to maintain healthy skin. Do it 20 times.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
In the second movement, place the middle of your index finger like this. Press on the upper side of the nasolabial folds. Apply upward force. Smile. Do it 20 times. Third movement consists of some strenuous moves. Tuck your lips into your mouth like this and slowly shrink the corner of your mouth inside. If you can't do it, you can practice in front of the mirror first, or you can also place your index finger on the corner of your mouth and it will help the movement. When the corner of your mouth is tightened, the whole area of the nasolabial folds is banged up. This movement is the most effective one. Do it 20 times. Follow along. Don't give up. Save the video for later and practice every day. If you feel it's getting hard to hold on you can do it for 10 counts initially and then increase it with time and practice. Fourth movement is to massage the nasolabial folds. Apply facial oil or cream to your index finger. Puff up around your mouth like this and then draw circles like this. Massage both sides. Keep massaging. Do it for 60 seconds. You can take a break if you are tired of this movement and continue after that. Keep doing it, feel the resistance. That's all for today's face yoga. It felt amazing, right? Keep adding new techniques to your pamper routine. Take care and I'll see you soon.